To dispute a transaction on Direct Express, follow these steps. First, gather all relevant information about the disputed transaction, including the date, amount, and description of the transaction. Next, contact Direct Express customer service at their toll-free number. Be prepared to provide your name, card number, and a detailed description of the issue. When you call, you will be asked to verify your identity and provide information about the disputed transaction. Be sure to have all your information ready to ensure a smooth process. The customer service representative will guide you through the dispute process and provide you with a reference number for your records. If the transaction is deemed unauthorized, Direct Express will temporarily credit your account while they investigate. This process typically takes 7 to 10 business days. During this time, you may be asked to provide additional information or documentation to support your claim. To prevent future unauthorized transactions, make sure to monitor your account regularly and report any suspicious activity immediately. You can also set up alerts and notifications to inform you of any transactions over a certain amount. It is essential to keep your Direct Express card and PIN secure to avoid unauthorized transactions. Never share your PIN or card information with anyone, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can effectively dispute a transaction on Direct Express and protect your account from unauthorized activity. Remember to always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly to ensure your financial security.